So welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, my dear friends. I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandela. So today we have one electric bike with us, and this company name is Odysse, and they are a startup from India, and they manufacture this Evoqis electric bike. So in this video we will find out the complete review of this Odysse Evoqis electric bike and find out whether we can buy it or not. So for more interesting videos and genuine information on electric vehicles, please subscribe to Electric Vehicles channel. So firstly, if you see the design of this electric bike, anybody will confuse that whether this is an electric bike or a Ninja 300. So that similarity is there, and the sports look. Somebody, if you see this electric bike and they feel, okay, I need to ride this electric bike at a first glance, and that is a plus point for this electric bike. If you see the build quality of this electric bike, and I think it seems to be mostly made with metal, whatever the trunk part of this electric bike, whether there is a boot space available in this or any kind of just for a normal conventional feel, they have given this. And these badgings are actually made with fiber plastic, and the trunk part and the remaining body part, and this is also made with fiber plastic. But mostly this electric bike seems to be built with 70 to 80% of metal, and the remaining parts are made with fiber plastic. And moreover, the aerodynamic design helps this electric bike to give more range. Now I will sit on this electric bike and I will tell you the feel of this electric bike. And you can see the suspension, and if I am trying to push this, and you can feel the suspension is working here. And it seems to be okay, whatever the comfort feel. Moreover, I will do the test ride review and I will share my more information on it. But so far it's okay, whatever the seating. But I'm not sure about the pillion seat here, because you can see here the pillion seat, it seems to be very short. I am not sure whether someone can sit here or not. Most of the sports bike comes with the same kind of pillion seat, whatever the small seat. Actually it also comes with this same kind of small seat only. Now coming to the specifications of Odysse Evoqis, this electric bike is powered by 3000 watt motor. It is a BLDC hub motor. It is mounted on the rear side, and there is the peak power of this motor is 4.3 kilowatt, and the rated power is 3 kilowatt motor. And if you see the braking of this electric bike, at the front side there are dual disc brakes, and the rear side is single disc brake. And whereas if you see the tires, these are actually 17-inch tubeless tires, and both the front and rear are 17-inch tubeless tires. And now coming to the battery pack of this electric bike, it equips with a 4.32 kilowatt hour lithium ion battery pack, to be specific 72 volt 60 Ah. So that is a battery pack, but this battery pack is actually a fixed battery. You cannot detach, it's a fixed battery, and the charger rating is 15 watt, and the charging time is 6 hours. And the range of this electric bike they have mentioned is 140 kilometers on a single charge, and mostly in the drive mode. Actually this bike having drive mode and sports mode. In drive mode I think the speed is up to 60 km per hour, whereas in the sports mode the top speed is up to 80 km per hour. Anyway, we will check that in the test ride review, but so far the top speed is 80 km per hour for this electric bike. So now I will show you the dashboard on this electric bike and what are the details available here. Yeah, you can see here most of the design seems to be familiar with the similar to a conventional vehicle. Here you can see the time here and the speedometer, and the battery percentage they have given in terms of bars like low and high, and right now it is showing full charge. And so I think 3, 4, 6 indicators are there, low indicator and high indicator, and the speedometer. In the right side you can see the speedometer, whatever the speed you can go, and on the down part you can see the odometer, how many kilometers you have traveled so far. And this is about the dashboard, but the visibility is good. Whatever you can see, the visibility and whatever the design is looking good. And now coming to the switches on this electric bike, you can see the throttle here and the lights here. So this is the headlamp, and the next button, if you turn to left side, these are the lights for the side lamps, and the side light indicators, these are, you can see the side light indicators. So how this electric bike works, initially you need to on this key, and but one more point I need to mention here. Usually there is an MCB switch here at the bottom of it. To save the battery, you need to off it if you are not using the bike. Right now it is in off position. You need to on it, you need to press this MCB button to the front, then it is in on position. So once you on this electric bike, it will not move. So what you need to do is you need to unlock the scooter. So now it is ready to move. You can give the throttle and this electric bike will move. And there are features like a remote lock button and a remote unlock button and a power start, like a remote on button, whatever the start button here, and the find my bike option here. You click this, there is an indication. So these are the buttons, what are the smart features in this electric bike. This is the brake oils here. For as this bike works on disc brake, front dual disc brake and rear disc brake. And this is the headlamps only. These are the headlamp indicators. And coming to the modes, here these are the modes. Actually, this is the reverse mode option. And the next one is the parking mode. If you keep in the parking mode, this electric bike will not move. And this is the drive mode. And this is the sports mode. All you need to do is adjust these modes and you can ride as per your comfort. So now I will open this trunk part and let's see, is there any kind of boot space. And actually there is no boot space. They have given just like a fuel tank. I think they could have given some boot space here instead of wasting this whatever the space here, because this trunk you cannot utilize here. And moreover, I think there are some wiring inside just for a showcase. I guess there is no boot space here. Just like showcase purpose, they have given this conventional fuel tank design. So now let's go for a test ride on this Evoqis electric bike and check the performance on this. So now we will go for a test ride on this Evoqis electric bike and check this performance, like how it is, the speed and all, and what are the acceleration and all. So the pickup is taking a steady pickup here. But the speed is it's pretty good, it's reaching the speed immediately, because the torque is almost like 50-60 Newton meters of torque here in this electric bike. So that's how the pickup levels are too good. Even the suspension is also good, that even when you compared with other electric scooters, and this electric bike suspension is far better than that. And right now I am going on drive mode. And moreover, we can try the speed. We almost reached in the 50 speed itself right now, and we can shift to sports mode and check the top speed of this electric bike. And we hit 80 km top speed. So just what they have promised, and we hit that. So 80 km per hour speed, it is reaching that speed. So there is no issue with the speed. And moreover, you can feel that, like whatever the electric bike feel, the complete electric bike feel you can get in this Evoqis electric bike. But the only point is when you are actually turning this electric bike, actually this hand is actually, it is obstructing here. That is the only thing I have observed in this electric bike. And moreover, I am riding this electric bike on flat roads, so I didn't observe any kind of glitches on this bike so far. But I think people will love this electric bike feel actually. Even I like this feel of this electric bike, and whatever the aerodynamic feel, and in the weight distribution also. And definitely you feel that you are riding a sports bike, that's what I can say. And moreover, the front disc brake action is really good, and I'm not sure whether they have used ABS or CBS. I didn't find that. Moreover, I will check it and I will share the details. I'm riding now in drive mode. So this is a braking action. So it is taking like 1 to few seconds, like 1 to 2 seconds. The braking action. So that's the initial test ride experience of Evoqis electric bike. So just now I have finished the test ride review of Evoqis electric bike. Here is my experience on this electric bike, and especially the ride feel is really good. Whatever you will feel like you are riding a sports bike. That's what I can say. And especially the weight distribution, you can feel that okay, you are riding a conventional vehicle. That kind of feel you can get in this Evoqis electric bike. And moreover, the braking also good. Especially the front dual disc brake action is really good. But the rear braking system is taking some time. Maybe as this is a test ride electric bike, maybe due to the customers are using this bike, maybe the brake might lose, but the front brake is actually, the action is good. And coming to the dashboard visibility also pretty good, even in the sunlight conditions also it is really good, whatever the lighting conditions. But I have seen the pothole road conditions. On that conditions, this bike you feel a little discomfort on the kind of pothole. But on the speed breakers and the medium speed breakers, the suspension levels are really good. So this is actually the first initial test ride experience on this Evoqis electric bike. The price of this Evoqis electric bike is 1,57,000 rupees ex-showroom price. Right now it is available in Hyderabad for test ride in Kukatpally, and we will provide the address also in the description below. And the battery warranty is 3 years. And moreover, this bike is not approved yet. Maybe in the coming months this electric bike get approval, but they are taking pre-bookings for this electric bike. So interested users can visit nearest Odysse showroom and have a test ride of this Evoqis electric bike, and based on that you can decide like whether you can proceed for this electric bike or not. For genuine information on electric vehicles, please subscribe to Electric Vehicle channel, and don't forget to like and share this video. Go green, go electric.